Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Acura TL hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever. It is typically found on the driver's side, near the kick panel, often marked with a car icon and an open hood. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the main hood latch disengages, slightly popping the hood open. This initial step prepares the hood for full access. Now walk to the front of your Acura TL. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, directly above the grille, usually around the center. You will feel a small lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch, designed to prevent accidental opening. It's a crucial safety feature. With your hand on the secondary latch, either push it upwards or slide it to the side, depending on your specific Acura TL model. As you manipulate this latch, simultaneously lift the hood with your other hand. The hood should now fully release and lift upwards smoothly. Be mindful of the hood's weight as you raise it. Once the hood is open, locate the prop rod. It's usually clipped to the underside of the hood itself, or sometimes near the engine bay. Unclip the rod and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. This ensures the hood remains safely open while you work, preventing any accidental closure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.